Hello, guys. Ian, living in the Philippines. I just want to explain to you a couple of things that I'm experienced or I have experienced and I'm experiencing now. And it's about life insurances or money plans that have been running and ready for payout. So this is for all you guys. Either you're living here and you've got that's approaching, or you guys that are still in America or Europe, you haven't come to the Philippines yet. You have these plans, life saving plans, pension plans, or whatever, which you'll be getting paid out, hopefully, when you're in the Philippines. So um, I don't think I don't know. I don't think it'll happen to everybody, but it's. I'm just want to let you know my situation. So last year, I had a German life insurance, which was due to be paid out last year. So that was running since 1980 something. So I sent him an email, and I says, "Well, the insurance plan is coming to an end, and so what do I or do I have to do anything or so?" And then I got a long list of things. All the I had to fill out some forms that they sent me, and then they wanted this and they wanted that. So one of the problems I had, and this was last year, was the bank account is in my wife's name. So my name wasn't even on the bank account. And they said, then always, why is your name, why is it in your wife's name? I said, oh, in the Philippines, I wasn't allowed to have an account at that time. And, she's my wife. She was also the beneficiary on the plan, so they knew who she was. And why have I got the Philippine bank account? It's all these because I live in the Philippines. So and then they started right. They need then an official document from my bank saying that they do know me. So I had to show them my passport. So a photocopy of my passport from the bank saying I do know this person and he is married to Mrs. Walter. They didn't understand. I said, "What is this all about?" And I think now I'm getting, I'm getting a little dark because the sun is going in and out. Right? So they also needed from me an official document, government a document, saying who I am. And I said, what? And it had to be again from the bank. They said no, they won't do that because they only do bank business. Or a lawyer, or some government official or something. I can't remember now. So we had to then go to a lawyer in town, explain. So it was a woman. Explain to her. She also did. It was why you got. What's it for? Why do they want this? Yeah, but why do I have to? And, oh, so in the end, we got 1,000 peso. I had to pay for a piece of paper with the copy of my passport on there. She had to write and say, I blah 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 notified that this person is as the person in the passport and he's sitting in front of me or whatever. Oh, it was crazy with a stamp. And yeah, what else did they? So I got that from the bank. Also, a certificate of proof of residency with your utility bills. And of course, the utility bills were in my wife's name, not in my name. And but the address was on there, and the address where I was living at. So if you put two and two together, it makes four, right? Not there. So I sent these documents, and no, because now the bank account was in my wife's name, they need also a certificate from the lawyer that it's my wife. The same as, but they didn't tell me that before. Only when I got all these documents, sent them off to them, and then they write, so now we need the same for your wife. And so this is a German company, and I got not nasty, but I got in contact, write emails. I with the guys. I says, I know why you need these documents and certificates. And they said it's all to do with money laundering. We have to prove who we are and why. So why am I in the Philippines? The bank account and etc. And so I wrote them an email to them saying, "Look, guys, yes, I understand. You must also understand that I am in the Philippines, and the Philippines have sometimes no idea what you're talking about, your requirements. And they're sitting with me, hours, we're trying to discuss and blah, 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 and they still, and then they turn and say, no, we don't do such documents. So then I wrote to the guys, I'm sorry, but this document that you need, I can't get here. So I said, can you not please talk to your bosses and say, right, we have this guy, or we have this guy in the Philippines. He has a problem, and he's not able to get this one document that we need to clear the payment. What can we do to solve the problem? Can we not do something else, or can we not just with the documents that we have already? You put all the documents together, you have everything. The names of everybody, the bank accounts. It's construction time again. Right. They're still laying tiles. So they're now cutting the tiles now. What's the time? No, they've already had their break. Right. So this is what I wrote to him, and I didn't get an email back off an answer, and all of a sudden, money was on my bank account, and I've never heard from him. So you see, once you talk to the guys and said, "Look, guys, you have to think a little bit. We're not in Europe here or America, and things are done differently in Asia. And when they're then asked to do something that they have never heard of, they get all confused. So I got my money with that one. So now this year, the same thing, but with an insurance company from the UK. So the problem that I'm having now here is so I'm getting guys shouting out now. We get to, so I got in contact with them, and they says, "Okay, we need this from you." So I got that. But every time you write an email to them, and it's in their website, you have to log into their website to be able to. You get a number to be able to email them, so it's all secure. But every time I write an email to them, it's a different customer care service representative, they call them. I wrote an email to him, complaint. Well, so I said something to him, and then I got a narky email back. Yeah, do you want to make an official complaint? And I said, yes, I do. And I wrote a complaint. I had 9 different people answering my email. So, and it just caused problems because each one has to then go back into my thing on their computer, trying to find out instead of like maybe 2 that know me. As soon as I come up, oh yeah, it's Mr. Walter from the Philippines. How are you? Yes, we understand. Yes, we know. So anyway, this is going back and forth, and then I was to phone them. So I said, look, guys, I can't phone you here from the Philippines. Could you get in contact with me? So that worked. So that was good. So 6 o'clock in the evening, my time, they phoned me. So then I had this guy. So he says, right, I need this document, this document, this document. So there's 5 documents he needed. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was my knee. 5 documents he needed. So it was like the my passport, um, proof of address, the utility bills again, um, my my bank statement, which they don't do here, but I got in the end, and there was something else. So and then he says, "Oh, so I need those 5, and when you take a picture, don't do it up to the, but you have to leave like a border. So if you're doing it on a table, you need the table edges as if it looks like a border, or they won't accept it." So I got these 5 things again. I went to the bank. What do you need this for? For this. And then I sent them away and got an answer back. No, we need an official bank statement. So this is an official bank statement from the bank with your name on it, account number, and like transactions in and out to see that I've been using the. So I went to the bank again. They had no idea what I was talking about, so I had to sit there. That took 2 hours to get that one piece of paper. In the end, they printed out some paper with my name on it and bank account and the transactions. So what else did they not like? And so first I sent the 5. No, we need this and this. So I had to do the bank statement again, and there was something else I can't remember now. It's getting all too. So I sent them. So then the guy said, "Oh, okay. Now we've got everything that we want. I will now put you through to a finance advisor who will go through the final steps with you." So he said, "Hold the line." So okay. So they put me then through. So hello, this is finance advisor. So I've just had a look at your documents. Everything is okay so far. But I'll send you a form to be filled out. So she says, fill the form out and send it back. So okay. So we finished. She sent me the form. I filled all the form out and sent it back. And then all of a sudden, I get an email. No, the bank statement is not good enough. We need a bank statement also with your complete address where you live. So why could they not send me that to begin with? No? They said this got bank statement with your name and account number. That's what I done. So they sent it. He said yes. The woman said yes. And now a week later, no. So I had to go to the bank again. What's today? Wednesday. I was there Monday. Another 2 hours. I said, that statement you done? Yes, they don't. They need now not a statement. They need now a bank document stating my full name, my account number, and my full private address. And then again, she goes, "What for?" I said, "I don't know." I showed her the email they sent me. Look. So she went, "Oh." So she had to then go to the manager, explain to him. And he goes, "Yeah, why? What for?" What? I said, "I don't know. It's something they need." And it says underneath, "I won't get my money unless they get these documents." So the other problem I'm having now, so there were two email addresses on my account for the insurance company. It was going fine. All these messages and emails were getting through to me. Since I made the complaint that everything's going wrong, and there, why did they not tell me straight away? And this insurance has been going also since 1999, and now where it's being paid out, I'm just getting shit. So since I wrote that, they're sending now messages to a different email address. I have no idea where they got that from. It's an old email address for me. Well, they're not getting through. So I sent an email then, the one on Monday where I sent the document. I said to them, please don't use this email. Use the one you're using before. Blah, 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 blah. So then this morning, I get another email. Oh, sorry. So Monday. So Tuesday, then I get an email saying, yes, we received your documents, and she'll send them further. And if there's anything else, they'll let me know. Well, this morning, I look in their website. They've sent me an email, but nothing on my cell phone, in my email box. So I look, they sent it to the wrong email address again. So this, so this email, Mr. Walter, we're still waiting for your document that we requested. Everything will be put on hold until we receive your document. I'm going, huh? I sent that on Monday. And I got a thing from them saying, yes, we received your document. Now I get one this morning. We're waiting for your document. So I had to write back again this morning. Sorry, I sent all this document already on Monday. And you'll see from the email that the woman said, yes, she had received the document and she'll pass it on. Well, I take it she did not pass it on. It's still on her wherever. Sorry, either. It's one big mess. So now, because this is the other thing, because of the time difference, so they won't even be starting work yet. And so I will always either get an email late this evening or early tomorrow morning. So I'm waiting now to see. Oh, and I wrote again, please do not use that email. Use this email. And what I've done, you go into your account settings into their website, and like I said, no idea where they got this email from address. So I take that away and I put then a different one in, my Gmail, saved. So I go out, go back in, it's changed again. So I can't change it. I take away the one, put in the new one, saved, go out, go in, it's gone again. So, so I've asked them, please get somebody to change the settings for this email because I'm getting no emails anymore. It's like every time I used to send an email, I used to get a notification then on my email saying that they've received the email. That's a lot of email. So it's very frustrating. Um, like I said, you guys, I try and get something sorted out before wherever you. So inform your company, your insurance company, where you're going. When you get here, make sure you get the bank account with your name on it. Or, for example, if your wife's, you got to have your name on it as well. They won't do it anymore. Um, when I started, no transactions go to a third party. It's got to be your name on the account. So, as I said, before you leave your country, get in contact with anything to do with money, even if it's your bank, if it's like your cards. You come over to the Philippines, once your bank sees you've been using your card a few times, they'll block it. I know tons of guys here. It's happened. It's happened to me with my China cards at the time when I come over in holiday. Holiday. I came here, went to Boracay. The first day, put the card in, got some money out. A couple of days later, put the card in. Uh-uh. The card's been blocked. Please contact your bank. Huh? What? So, got in contact with them. Yeah, we've seen that your card's being used abroad. So, for safety reasons, we blocked your card. Says, it's me. I'm on holiday. Oh dear. I mean, in one way, yes, it's good because um, maybe your card was stolen, and but so if you're going on holiday, let your bank know. If you're leaving permanently or for long term, let your bank know. Um, ATM, credit card, anything like, let them know. Um, Insurance companies, let them know. Like I said, when you get here, start either make your own a bank account or you make a joint bank account with your wife or whatever. Make sure your name's on it and start going around getting documents, proof of your address. That you'll get that from the barangay or municipal. What else? Oh, this is so it. But I think you get what I mean. So get prepared before you come out here. So make sure that your bank knows and your insurance company knows. Because once you're over here and you're not going back, it's yeah, give us a call. And then you go, yeah, please hold the line. Please, hey, and your tick, tick, your money, tick, 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 tick. So I says, I can't, maybe I can call it, but I said to him, I says, guys, says, can you please call me? Says, I'm in the Philippines. So So I'm still not over yet. I've got to wait now till late tonight or tomorrow morning to see what this. The thing is, not the last woman, the woman before, because I complained about all these different people that always. She says, "Oh, she's done it. That every time I send an email, that it'll go to her." Well, the second to last one didn't because I had a completely another name which I've never heard of before. And but yesterday or this morning, that was the woman that was in charge for me. So I don't know. It's all mixed up, not finished. So I hope. Yeah, we'll wait until tomorrow. Um, I'll let you know how it all ends up. But yeah, it's quite a lot of money that I'm waiting for now that I need. And it's always the same. You pay in um, 40 or 40, well, 30 years, 40 years, everything's fine. And then when you want to take your money out, they make it as hard as possible. But it's always like that. So, guys, that was just a warning and a little bit of information for you regarding insurances and your banks. So, guys, I'll leave it at that. And if you watched my video yesterday, traveling on local transport, part one, well, part two, I had a video. I was going to. I walked all through the streets there, showing all the houses and the lakes at the back, and it was very interesting. And unfortunately, before I could edit the thing, I deleted it permanently last night, and I've been trying to get it back, but it's gone. So I was very, very peed off this morning. So first, that video's gone. So part two will not be coming. And the insurance thing got me also a little bit annoyed. So guys, I'll see you then. Someone's walking in front of that house again. So guys, I'll see you on my next video or in my next live. So till then, shut up! Bye guys.